Hello guys, today we will review this Kase mobile filter lens. It is from the company Kase or KS, whatever you call, and this is a ND filter. As many of you have requested for a ND filter, and here is the review of the ultimate high quality case or Kase ND filter. And this is the beautiful case. This is a hard case, and you can see it is beautifully packed. And let me open this, and before that let me see what is on top of this. And it is written ND4000. So there are multiple different kinds of ND filter like ND1000, ND400, ND8000 I have seen maximum. This is the 4000 variant. So let's see, and we'll see what is this and how to use it. Everything we will see in this video. So how to open this? Here is the lock to open. Okay, this is your ND filter. You can see it is so much black so that it can block the entire environment here. So if you put it on top of your phone, you cannot see anything, so it is that much dark. Let me show you how to mount this. Okay, so I will explain what is the use of this glass later. So with this lens I got the filter holder where you can directly screw it. Oh, there is no need of screw, it is just a magnet. Okay, see this. Okay, it is just a magnet, no need to screw. Wow, that's great. There is no need to screw this on top of this clip, it is just a magnet. Wow. And after that you can see this is the very nice clip. You can clip it onto your phone like this. Very simple. And beautiful thing is that it can cover all my 4 cameras that is there on my Realme X2 Pro. Okay, so what is this? This is just a dark plate. That means it is a dark glass, and if you put it on top of your phone, then you cannot see anything. So what is the use of this dark glass? Now we will set up this area for some photography, and we'll see what is the use of this ND filter. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, as you can see, I want to capture this small bottle, and I have put my phone on tripod. Okay, so as you can see it is clearly in focus. Okay, so what will happen if I will start capture, then it can capture this, there is no problem. But now what I will do, I want to capture some long exposure photography with this lens, with this camera. Okay, so what is long exposure photography? I will get one more phone and enable the flashlight, and what I will do, I will rotate like this and capture one photo. Okay, to get a photo like this. So I have set here, as you can see, I have set here 2 second exposure time. Okay, so 2 second exposure time, but if I will capture like this 2 second, then there will be problem. Let me show you what is the problem. Okay, so let me shoot. Okay, so now you see the photo. Okay, see this photo. So everything is white. Why it is white? Because we have exposed this image for 2 seconds to light. So in this it is getting lots of light and it becomes white. Okay, so now what we will do, we will clip this on top of the phone. Okay, we'll clip this ND filter, and then we will see what type of photo we are getting. Okay. So from this video experiment you might have understood what is the use of this filter. It will darken the image, so that what you can do, you can increase your shutter speed. I have increased my shutter speed up to 32 seconds and still it is darker, so that's why I have used some 2 flashlight extras to capture my photo. So that is the benefit of this, and this is currently night time, that's why I need that much lights, but if you want to capture it outside of your home in daytime, then this will be too much useful for you. Okay, so this is the best ND filter, means it is the darkest ND filter I have ever used. You can see Apexel ND filters, they are just 400 or 600, but this one is 4000 ND. So that is the benefit of this lens filter, and we have already tested it. It can give you very nice result without any problem. And benefit is that you just have to plug it like this, so there is no need for any rotation or anything. You just have to touch it. So it is a magnetic type of thing. I forgot to tell you, in this box there is this bottom side filter as well. This is also included. I have fixed it properly, so it can protect you from any scratches or head of this filter. So just plug it and capture it. If you have any doubts about this lens, or you need any more samples or anything, just comment below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this review will be helpful. So hit a like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it, because lots of new lenses are coming. So I will see you in next video.